Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to use avatar as profile picture on WhatsApp. The first thing you need to do is open WhatsApp. Then you are going to tap on settings in the bottom right hand corner. And right below your profile pic you will see the option avatar. If you do not see this option, I would recommend that you go into your App Store or Play Store and update WhatsApp. Then you are going to tap on avatar, and from here you will see the option create your avatar. You are going to tap on that, then give it a few seconds to load up, and then you are going to tap on get started. Now that you have selected get started, you can start to personalize your avatar by choosing the skin tone that you would like to use, then selecting next. And you can also choose the hairstyle that you would like to use. So for this example, I'll simply stick with this hairstyle right here. Then you can also choose the clothes that you want, the outfit. You can also choose the body type. You can change the eye. There are numerous options of how you can customize your avatar. Once you are finished and it's to your liking, you're going to tap on done in the top right hand corner. Then you are going to tap on save changes, and now you'll see your avatar is being updated, and you're going to tap on next, and you can see it right there. That is your avatar, and you can tap on create profile photo. Give it a few seconds to load up. Then you can change the background, then select done, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.